Welcome again. I bring you today a very special plate, gourmet we could say, with a combination of elegant flavors resulting in this brilliant Muhammara or roasted red pepper dip. This is a very easy process, but we will need some previous elaboration. The first preparation we will need to start with is roasting the red pepper. You can use any kind of red pepper you find, and you can roast them in the barbecue or in your oven at 200 Celsius degrees, turning them halfway through cooking until the skin is black. Once they are roasted and you have left them to cool down and they are not hot anymore, peel out the skin and discard the core and seeds. Don't worry if you miss some skin. It will add a very tasty, smoky flavor. This will take some time, so be patient. The second preparation is to roast the walnuts, and we are going to do so by heating a drizzle of olive oil in a frying pan on medium-high heat. Incorporate the walnuts and stir fry until golden. The third and last preparation before getting into the dip is to roast the breadcrumbs and, again in a hot frying pan, heat a splash of olive oil and integrate the breadcrumbs. Being this such a refined collection of flavors, I'm going to draw a red line with the breadcrumbs. Never use all bread to do this. Always try and make it with a nice fresh bread in your blender. Or you can also buy some good quality breadcrumbs, preferably from a bakery. After these steps, we are ready to start the Muhammara, or roasted red pepper dip. And everything we are going to need is the peeled and seedless roast red pepper, garlic, paprika, tahini or sesame seed paste, cayenne, cumin, toasted breadcrumbs, salt, black pepper, roasted walnut, extra virgin olive oil, pomegranate syrup. Now, incorporate the red pepper in your blender. And some paprika. A pinch of cayenne, cumin, or roasted breadcrumbs, salt and black pepper to taste. Then the golden walnuts. Tahini, and a tablespoon of pomegranate syrup. And the last thing is the garlic. Blend all together. Pour in a splash of olive oil. Let's check the texture. It's already smells fantastic. And it looks ready. Now we can serve our muhammara. Put enough dip in your plate. And spread Place some walnut and fresh peppermint to aromatize and decorate. Hydrate with extra virgin olive oil. And that's it. The roast red pepper dip or muhammara is ready. Enjoy and subscribe for more.